Hello everybody, welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian and we got another cool video for you. Stay tuned. Quick break from the videos, guys. Check out our website for our all-new eBay store with remanufactured fusing units and other parts. Amazing. Also, we got a merch store. More items will be added later. Back to the video. On today's video, we have the HP Color LaserJet M452 color printer. We're going to be talking about the specifications, which has a resolution of 600 by 600 dpi, a speed of 28 pages per minute, monthly doodle cycle of 50,000, and about the size of 16 by 18 by 11 inches. Paper handling is a 50-sheet multi-purpose tray and a 250-sheet standard input tray. As you can see here, this tray is adjustable all the way up to legal size as well, which is nice. You also have the multi-purpose that is adjustable from 3.5 to legal and the standard from 3.9 up to legal. You can adjust them by pressing these tabs. This printer also supports automatic duplexing, so you have your double-sided features, which are nice. You have a fusing unit and your transport deck here to remove jams in the back, which is great. And the 110-volt model only uses 4.5 amps, which is nice low power. You have your ports in the back, which are USB and Ethernet. And then you have your standard yield cartridges, which last about 2,300 pages. You also have your high yield, if you so wish to purchase those, which last for about 6,500 pages. So you get quite a few more pages in those high yield. They each come with their own imaging units, yellow, black, cyan, and magenta. Here we're just going to go ahead and add a little bit of paper, plug the device right in, power on, and quickly go through the menu. This has a nice touchscreen menu. Boots up in about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's booted up, it checks the cartridges just to make sure they are genuine, and they are. And here's our menu. You see you have jobs, USB, apps, and supply menu, which is pretty cool. You can also go into the supplies and check what you have there, and also print out a report, which is cool as well. You have your apps as well. I don't have any installed. Now we're just going to go through our settings and check our demo pages and our menus. You have a self-diagnostic page. You have a system startup page. You have energy saving, administrator, and service. And all these settings are accessible through the web interface as well. So if you have an IP address, you can type that into a browser and check all these settings. What I like about HP is all the settings are nice and clear and easy to read and easy to access. This is also a wireless printer as well, so it supports Wi-Fi direct and regular wireless printing. It's also compatible with HP ePrint, Apple AirPrint, Mopria, and others. And like I said, it does support wireless. It has a wireless network built in, so you can run it from its own wireless network, or you can have it connect to your wireless network and print that way. I do prefer plugging in via Ethernet, but wireless works pretty well. Next up, we're just going to go ahead and print a demo page to look what the sample looks like, and that looks pretty darn good. Nice, crisp, clear pictures and images. And that was the HP Color LaserJet M452dw. Really cool printer. You can get yours in the link in the description. Thanks for watching.